today, the first touch point of you as a consumer with any business is going to be digital. Your customer digital experience really matters, and that is where Dell Technologies and NVIDIA really help us support our customers. Zoho has a broad suite of 55 plus apps. So anything and everything to run your business, right from payroll to finance to marketing to sales to customer support to your employee collaboration. Zoho has been aggressively expanding across regions like the Middle East, like LATAM, like Southeast Asia, like India, and also even in the emerged economies like UK, Europe, and North America. We are again expanding our local presence by hiring locally. The challenges in setting up a digital business are multifold. AI likes data and processes that flow through systems. We ensure that there is value and context. So that is what we enable, a much bigger level of automation that can take advantage of modern day AI technologies. Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA and NVIDIA AI Enterprise software has accelerated building our multimodal large language models at the same time with our customer privacy intact. From investing in our own data centers to building our cutting edge AI stack, all of it has been in-house. And why do we do this way? Because Zoho strongly believes in data sovereignty. Zoho has been playing the long game with respect to AI. Agents are going to be super important for digital businesses in the next 5 to 10 years because agents are what bridges the nature of LLMs to concrete enterprise information. We are bringing a full-fledged suite of agent solutions that our customers can take advantage of. And that is enabled by Dell Technologies and NVIDIA's partnership.